Did you ever wonder how your city looked 2 decades ago? With Google Earth's historical imagery feature, we gain access to a remarkable time machine. This extraordinary tool presents us with a stunning visual chronicle, allowing us to compare the present-day landscape with images from yesteryears. As we slide the timescale, we can observe the dramatic transformation of cities and landscapes, offering us a unique perspective on the passage of time. This feature isn't just about nostalgia or curiosity, though. It serves a crucial role in understanding the profound impact of climate change and the relentless march of urbanization. From melting glaciers to the sprouting of skyscrapers, the changes are both fascinating and thought-provoking. So Google Earth not only allows us to see the world as it is now, but also how it was in the past. Such a journey through time was once the realm of fantasy, but today it's just a few clicks away. Ever wished to see the Eiffel Tower up close without leaving your home? Google Earth's 3D feature makes this possible. This extraordinary tool transforms flat, two-dimensional images into intricate three-dimensional models. From the Great Wall of China stretching across rugged landscapes to the intricate architecture of the Colosseum, Google Earth uncovers the world's wonders in stunningly realistic detail. Imagine peering down at the Grand Canyon, its sheer walls and winding river unfolding beneath you, or standing atop Mount Everest, the world sprawling out beneath its snowy peak. This technology brings these experiences to your fingertips, fostering an uncanny sense of immersion. This feature also serves as a valuable educational tool, enabling students to explore world geography in a way that textbooks simply can't match. Virtual tourism has never been more accessible or more engaging. Indeed, Google Earth's 3D feature transports us to places we dream of exploring. Curious about what lies beneath the ocean's surface? With Google Earth, we can plunge into the depths of the vast oceans from the comfort of our screens. This incredible tool allows us to navigate through a world often concealed from our view. We can explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with an abundance of marine life, or venture deeper to witness the mysterious landscapes of the ocean floor. This feature serves as a window into the underwater world, enabling us to appreciate its rich biodiversity and intricate ecosystems. It's not just an exploration, it's an invitation to understand the significance of marine biology and the urgent need for its conservation. It allows us to see the impact of human activities on these delicate ecosystems, reminding us of our responsibility to protect them. From the highest peaks to the deepest oceans, Google Earth leaves no stone unturned. How about a journey to the stars without a spaceship? With Google Earth Sky View, we are given the keys to unlock the cosmic vault. This breathtaking feature brings the vast expanse of the universe with its gleaming constellations, planets, and celestial bodies right to our fingertips. Imagine gazing upon Orion's belt or the Pleiades cluster without needing a telescope. Picture yourself tracing the path of Mars as it meanders across the night sky. These are the possibilities that Skyview opens up for us. Beyond mere stargazing, Skyview is a priceless tool for learning about our universe. It offers a visual, interactive way to understand the positions and movements of celestial bodies, making the abstract concepts of astronomy tangible. Whether you're an aspiring astronomer or just a curious mind, Skyview is a gateway to the cosmos. With Google Earth, exploring the universe is no more a distant dream. Fancy a guided tour around the world's most fascinating places? Then let's dive into the realm of Google Earth Voyager, the final marvel on our list. This interactive feature is like a seasoned tour guide, taking us on curated expeditions around the globe. Crafted by experts in various fields, these tours offer insights into a plethora of topics, from the rich tapestry of global cultures to the vibrant habitats of exotic wildlife, and even the echoes of history that resonate in different corners of the world. Imagine strolling through the remnants of an ancient civilization, or tracking the migratory patterns of majestic whales, all from the comfort of your own home. These immersive journeys expand our horizons, enrich our knowledge, and foster a deeper appreciation of our shared planet. So Google Earth Voyager not only shows us the world, but also tells us its stories.